Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Before the video starts, there's a couple things I need to say. First, the mic cut out a lot, but that doesn't really matter because most of the stuff, of the footage that I recorded and the mic cut out, there was nothing good that happened. But there is one part where you're going to see me. I'm going to get a fish. I'm going to be holding it up. And you're not going to hear me saying anything. That's because the mic cut out. Basically, what I was saying was if you're holding the fish by its gills, it actually, paralyzes the fish, I guess you'd call it. And it makes it a lot easier to control it for the couple 10 seconds, 20 seconds that you have it out of the water. And then also, some of the footage may be crooked or tilted to the side, so you have to watch like this. Or you could go to your settings on your phone and there should be an auto rotate setting, and if you turn that off, you can it actually keeps your phone at the angle it is. So all you have to do is turn your phone, and then you can watch it without breaking your necks. First thing you're gonna see after this is it's gonna be super cloudy. I'm in the car, it's raining and stuff. That was just a really rainy, stormy day. That wasn't even Hurricane Elsa. Which is crazy because I feel like Hurricane Elsa wasn't even that bad. At least not for me. It might have been a lot worse for other people. But yeah, you'll see that first. And then there's a little time lapse at the end. If you don't want to watch that, you can skip over it to the end of the video where you can watch my other videos if you haven't noticed. I'm able to put my most recent video and the video that's most recommended for you viewers. It pops up there, and then there's a subscribe button as well. That's pretty cool. Just saying. So if you don't want to watch the time lapse, you can skip over that. Watch my other videos if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't already, dude. Oh man. That is awesome. But besides that, hope you're having a good day, morning, afternoon, night. I'm not even going to stress how good I am at this point. But, yeah. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. I will see you in the next one. Stay smooth, stay crispy. Peace. Point it right on you, Greg. What was that?
Weightless Cinco?
Yes, sir. Weightless Cinco. I just caught 2 bass this weightless Cinco. And this guy is...
No camera proof.
Dude. The Pittsburgh Steelers won the Stanley Cup. In Florida, yeah.
What? Didn't the Lightning win?
No.
I don't pay attention. Pittsburgh Steelers is football, ain't it?
No.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Pittsburgh Steelers is a hockey team, and the Penguins are a football team. Come on, Greg. Oh, yes, sir, guys. Living in Florida, the dream. There's a funnel right there, if you don't know what it is. Oh, you little booger. Basically, it's a tornado, but it didn't reach the ground. So it's going back up, but wow. That's crazy, dude. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it, dude. That is massive. It's going sideways. Oh, we got a fish. And we lost it. There you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. If you didn't, also subscribe. And we will see you in the next one. Peace. I'm just kidding with you. I wouldn't actually do that. I mean, I might later in my YouTube videos, but not this one. I see some bass out here, so I'm gonna get one.